Let's learn how to use a ruler. Now, we're going to use this only for a straight line in this video. So you don't even have to worry about any of the numbers on there or the measurements. Really, all you have to do is learn how to use a ruler. Now, I will often ask students to go ahead and please draw me a line using a ruler. And this is sometimes what I get. You got it, Miss Hahn. Ew, that's not a very straight line. Let's try it again. Okay, Miss Hahn, I can do this. Ow, my line isn't straight now either. Let's see. Let me try it again. Let's see if I hold on to it like this. Oh, yeah. Oh no! Okay, these are some of the mistakes that I see from students on a regular basis. Not using the straight edge, not holding on to it nice and tight, and sometimes even our fingers are over the edge. So let's talk about the proper use of using a ruler. Anytime you want to make something parallel or nice and straight to the paper, you're going to line up the edge of your ruler with your paper. Now actually, I'm going to be making a vertical line, but I'm lining up horizontally. Then I hold my fingers down nice and tight, right on the ruler, but I am not holding my fingers past the edge. So I'm keeping my fingers on the ruler itself. I rest my pencil or pen on the edge of the ruler and bring my line down. Now that is a perfect straight line. It is parallel to this because I lined it up, and it is nice and straight. Perfect. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to make a horizontal line. So lining it up with the side of my paper, holding it down with my fingers nice and tight, bringing it across. Perfect. Nice and parallel to the edge of the paper. If you're making a diagonal line and you want all the diagonal lines to line up, since we're doing perspective here, let's start with a dot. What you need to do is connect the dots many times, or the corners, in 1-point perspective. And you're going to line up, I'm going to put a couple of dots here. Here's a couple of dots. Sometimes you're going to need to make a diagonal line. So you're going to line up with something called the vanishing point and the corner or the dots. You'll hold on to that nice and tight, and you're going to make your line back from the dot to the vanishing point. Perfect. Again, from the dot to the vanishing point. From the dot to the vanishing... Uh-oh. That wasn't lined up perfectly. If I just hold this still and move it, it doesn't go back to that dot. So I have to readjust every time from the dot to the dot. All right. So we have vertical lines here, straight horizontal lines, and we're learning how to do some diagonal lines.